Hello my dear friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to understand what is a reflection. After that we will answer these two questions, right? So we are going to start with a reflection. What is a reflection? Let us understand through an example of plane mirror. So I am considering here plane mirror, right? So here it is the plane mirror, which is silvered at one end, and the second end is shiny surface. It is the shiny surface. Here I am having a light source. It is the light source. So from here the lights are going to travel, and this light is going to incident on the plane mirror. As soon as this light incidents on the plane mirror, the refraction phenomena occurs. Then what will happen? This light ray changes its path. Actually, this light ray has to travel in this direction. But due to the obstacle present, what will happen? This light ray has to change its path. This phenomena is known as a reflection phenomena. So I am just going to put the words here. What is a reflection? That is nothing but bouncing back of light. What? Bouncing back of light. But this statement is not yet completed. Bouncing back of light. Here the light has been bounced back due to the obstacle present. Alright. But the bouncing back of light we have to write into the same medium. Why I am writing into the same medium? You will understand whenever I will take about the refractive index, because refraction is a type of phenomena in which two mediums are required. Here, as we can see, it is air medium. And see, after the light bounces back, the light is also bouncing back into the same medium. That is why I said bouncing back of light into the same medium. And my question is, what are the essential conditions for the reflection to take place? Here there is a question. Yes, okay. First let us solve the second question. Does the reflection phenomena observed on the walls? Can you observe the reflection phenomena on the walls? Just pause for 15 seconds and just answer it. Right. So just I am going to give you the conclusion. Does the reflection phenomena can be observed on the walls or not? Let us understand through this. For example, here it is a stem which is having a leaf, right? It is a real life example. So here is the light source. Here is the light source. Right. What will happen? From this, the light is going to travel and incident on the leaf. After that, what will happen? As you know, this leaf is green in color. How do you know that this is green in color? Because whenever the light source, once the light incidents on the leaf, what will happen? The light gets reflected back. The light gets reflected back and enters in your eyes. So now you can observe the leaf. If you doesn't believe me, just close your eyes. If you doesn't believe me, just close your eyes. Will you be able to see the leaf? No, it is not possible. Why? Because if there is no light source, you cannot observe the reflection phenomena. For a reflection phenomena to occur, it is one of the most important conditions that the light source has to be present. Right? So here is the light source. Once this light ray incidents on the leaf, what will happen? The leaf will absorb. See, you will understand in the second chapter while studying in the human eye and the colorful world. While studying that chapter, you will understand what will happen inside this leaf is actually from here white light will be incidenting. What? White light will be incidenting on the leaf. In white light there are 7 colors as we already know. What will happen is all other light, for example V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. But what I am observing? Only the green color I am observing. From my eyes, I am observing whenever this ray is striking on my eyes, I am observing the green color. Why it is happening so? Because all other colors are getting absorbed in the leaves. How it will get absorbed, you will understand in the chapter of human eye and the colorful world. So, here you understood, due to the reflection phenomena, we are able to see around us what is actually present. Right? Like the same, here is the wall, here is the wall, it is the wall. From here is the light source, here is the light source. From here the light is going to travel. What will happen? Surely the reflection phenomena is going to take place. Surely the reflection phenomena is going to take place. But still, what my question is, when will you get the better reflection? Because in your book there is I think there is an example of plane mirror and spherical mirrors. Why they have chosen these two only? Why they haven't chosen anything else? Why they have chosen only plane mirror and the spherical mirrors? Why not the walls? Why not the leaves? Because for a better reflection to take place, we need a shiny surface. We need a shiny surface. See, a reflection occurs on the walls, a reflection occurs on the leaves, a reflection occurs everywhere, due to which we are able to see around us. But the good reflection, for a better reflection, what do you mean by better reflection? Just go and see in the plane mirror. You will be able to see your own face. But if you are going and seeing the leaves, if you are not able to see your own image, that means it is not a better reflection. Right? For a better reflection to take place, we need a shiny surface. Walls cannot provide the shiny surface. Leaves cannot provide the shiny surface. Right? So it is not a better reflection. For a better reflection to take place, there are two conditions. First one, it should have shiny surface. It should have shiny surface. Yes, it should have shiny surface, because once the light strikes the shiny surface, the reflection phenomena can be observed very clearly, very distinctly. Alright, what is the second condition? So it is one of the conditions that the surface should be shiny for a better reflection to take place. And the second condition is light source has to be present. Light source has to be present. It is a major condition. Why I am saying it is a major condition? Even if there is no shiny surface, reflection phenomenon takes place. But if there is no light source, it is not possible to observe the reflection phenomena. For that, if you don't believe me, just close your eyes and pay attention and just try to see something. You will not be able to see anything, because light source are not entering into your eyes. The light source are not entering into your eyes. You will able to see the reflection phenomena only when the light source is entering into your eyes. If you are closing your eyelids, you will not be able to see the or observe the reflection phenomena. So it is the most important criteria for a reflection to take place. For reflection itself to take place, light source is needed. For a better reflection to take place, shiny surface is needed. What is my second question? Does the reflection phenomena observed on walls? Yes, the reflection phenomena observed on walls. But it is not a better reflection, because you will not be able to see your own image while standing in front of the wall. Right? In the same way, if you are standing in front of the plane mirror, you will be able to see your own image. That means it is providing you the better reflection. You are observing the better reflection. Alright, so for a better reflection phenomena to take place, it needed a shiny surface. For a reflection itself to take place, a light source is needed. So here I am ending up this class. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe.